Hi, it's Sherri from A Quilting Life, and today I'm here to talk about Moda Block Heads Block 21. And this week's block is by Lisa Alexander. It's called XOXO, and it's a really fun block, and I've got some great tips to help you make it. This week's XOXO block by Lisa Alexander was so much fun to make. I had a lot of fun using fabrics from 3 of our fabric collections. The Aqua and the Orchid are from Balboa. The red print is from Summer Sweet, and the green floral is from Harper's Garden. And I did have to be a little bit careful. One thing you'll have to look out for if you're using directional fabrics, I wanted all of my stems and flowers to go the same way, so I did have to pay a little bit of attention to that. But other than that, this is a super fun block. I'm really happy with how it turned out, and I feel like it turned out so well because I used the mini simple folded corners ruler for all of these flip and sew corners. I'm just really happy with how everything lined up. Now I did do something else to make sure that they lined up correctly, and that is for every set of blocks, I pressed 2 of the blocks in towards the print fabric and 2 of the block sections out towards the background. And let me show you what I mean by that. So on this aqua section, I've got the seam being pressed in toward the aqua, but notice on the one right next to it, I've got the seams pressed out toward the background. And so I alternated every other block, and that way the seams were able to nest and line up really easily. So it actually gives it kind of a fun look on the back. I sewed my block together in rows, and then I pressed this row one direction, this row the opposite direction, and continued that. And then I did press the seams between the rows open to eliminate bulk. But I really just absolutely think that it turned out this way because of this ruler and because of alternating the directions that you press those seams. Now you'll need to go to Lisa's blog today to get the PDF download for this pattern, and I'll have a link directly to her blog in the description below, and I'll also have a link to this ruler and to my blog post about this block. I hope you enjoyed this video on Moda Block Heads 3, Block 21 XOXO by Lisa Alexander. And I hope you enjoyed the little tips and tricks I had for making it. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, and thanks so much for stopping by.